Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to customize cars in Forza Street Mobile. So you're going to get to the home menu right here once you open the app. What you're going to want to do is click on the top left hand corner, the one next to the cog. That's going to bring up like your garage of all your cars. You'll see all of them there. Then you'll want to click on the one you want to customize. So I'm going to do the Ford GT that I got like a free one of in the last video I did. Then if you want to change color, first of all, to like the right hand side of the car at the top, you want to click that. You'll see that pop up there, and then you got the manufacturer paints to change the color of the car. So you got all these different colors here. You can pick whichever one you want. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to stay like that. So then you can also custom by clicking on like the 2, the 3, all these types of different kind of like paint jobs on it right there. So you can unlock more as well in the future. And you can also click on mods, so it's going to do a few different things to your car there. You can click that down, it's going to look a bit different, etc. there. Then if you can go back out of that and then do some more adjustments to the car, like with the tuning and stuff. So go back in there like you did before, and then if you click on the top right hand corner under the plus button there, you can like upgrade parts. You click max tuning there when you can. You got to go to story mode to unlock things for this right here. And then you can let's click upgrade parts, and you'll see there we got like the generic super sport, street muscle, exhaust intake, brakes, suspension, engine, transmission, all the different things you can customize on the car as you wish. And then you can like upgrade the car by clicking that 1000 CR thing there. You can upgrade the car overall. So that you can do that. And then how to actually get the parts to upgrade the car, you can click on that third one along. As you can see, the blue now. You can go along to where it says resources, and then you can like buy these here once you have enough like money for it. You can get like the money through like competing daily challenges, like you have here, like the daily login, etc. And also competing in the races. And also, if you wanted to, you can actually buy it as well, even though most people probably won't. But there are all the options there. Hopefully that did help you out. Leave a like if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Forza Street game. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.